Ang aking kisay biglang nagtayi-tayi, nababagsakan pati na puno ng sabi. Ngunit isang bagay lang pinagsisisihan ko, ang ipanganak sa mundo na pogi tulad ko.
Mahirap, mahirap, mahirap ang maging
Mahirap, mahirap ang maging mahirap, mahirap ang maging mahirap, mahirap ang maging It was the best. I met a pretty girl na taga-IS. May nagsama nga kasama to make it sure. Isa lang ang aking napuna, lahat sila dun yun kaya. At sabi na, hey Andrew, I would like you to meet my friend. And believe me, lahat sila at my Mercedes-Benz. This is Anna, this is Karen, this is Tanya, this is Jill. Lahat sila nakatira sa San Lorenzoville among the floor. Kay Anna, ako na patingin. Pagkatapos mo si Anna, ay biglang lumapit sa'kin. Tinanong niya ako, hey Andrew, can I have your number 2? Okay, 01, 6722. Okay, then kami nag-party. Yung suga, break for dawn. Umuwi ako ng bahay, nagtulog ako maghapon. Ako'y ginising, talagang na siya. Nag-ring ang aking phone, kanina 2 o'clock. So I got my wallet, telephone, ang sabi ko, hello? Sabi siya, hey Andrew, can I ask you, can you go? Sabi ko, go where? Sabi niya, come over here, and you let's eat some pizza, and you let's drink some beer. So after 30 minutes, I was knocking at her door. Nakita ko si Anna, she was lying on the floor. Ako'y nalasin now, you know, alam niyo ba? Ang sabi niya sa akin, Andrew, Andrew, are you ready now? We went to the garage, and ang sabi niya sa akin, Andrew, can you give me a massage? Hindi na ito ang front, pati ang kanyang back. Then, Anna gave me tight, and then she gave me a smack. But ako'y biglang ninulak ko, ako'y napaupo. Ang sabi niya sa akin, Andrew, wag kang tatayo. Lumayo na sa akin, kaya ako'y kinabahan. At pagkatapos na siya ay sumaya sa harapan. Tigil siya sa akin, ayaw niya akong tigilan. Sabi na, Andrew, I'm in love with you. Can you do me a little favor? Can I always be with you? But ako'y biglang nagulat nang bumukas ang pinto. It was Anna's elder sister, so kami na pahinto. There was nothing he could do, it was a pain in the nasabi ng kanyang ate, Anna, can I join?